Why is Illumibot $15 a month for the description? In this video, I'm going to explain to you why. After you hear this, you'll process this and go, that kind of makes sense. So the $15 a month, there's been some confusion. This is what you're going to get for the $15 a month. Unlimited regenerating of the AI, right? So you can make as many still photos using the AI. It's all you can eat as much as you want. Thousands and thousands and thousands of still clips you can make. However, and you're like, well, okay, what's great about this is they use multiple different AI creative models. I think Runway, there's a few of them, and I'll recommend to you, go to the site, Android or Apple. Some people were confused. You have it for both Android and Apple. Download the app, Illumibot app. Within that app, if you read through it, it's going to tell you so many things. It's going to answer so many questions that I had. You'll be clear. You'll be like, oh, okay, pricing, all the things. And within that, it shows you all the different creative models of the AI that you can use, all the different companies. Now, here's the thing. Good news, you can cancel at any time. That $15 a month subscription, you can cancel. What does this mean? All the work you do, thousands of pictures, you keep it. They don't take it. So you keep it in your library forever. Once you cancel, the work that you did is yours. Here's what's great about it. You can make it through the holiday season, right? You can start whenever, September, August, start creating your work. Work it all the way through Christmas, right? Or whenever you're done, then cancel. So technically, you could have it 1 month, you could have it 3 months, you could have it a year. It puts the power in your hands. You are not stuck. That was probably the biggest thing that people got caught up on. They said, well, why do I have to pay $15? And so I hope that that helps with the clarity. You can cancel. And here's the thing. It costs Illumibot. They spend thousands of dollars for the servers to run this. So it's not like, oh, they just made something. It's their own personal, and we're just charging you because we feel like it. They are actually being charged. And if you look at what it costs to generate this many images, it's a super fair price. For $15, you can cancel. You're not stuck. I hope that makes sense. Another question. So if you're a beginner, it's great. You can make all your images, right? And then simple, there's within the app, you'll see it. You can do a slideshow. So you can just push slideshow, put in your images, point your projector at your house, right, with your Illumibot, and it's just going to run real simple, all of your slides of what you created. Now, this is where it gets fun. If you're a beginner, and I'm going to do a lot of these videos, I'm new to Illumibot. I'm just super deep into it. I really enjoy it. I want to learn a lot. I'm a big holiday guy. You can run simple mode, easy. I don't want to mess around. Amazing. Number two, you can go advanced mode, and this is where you'll spend a little money, but it's only a few cents. Let's say you create one of these images. There's a button. You go into advanced mode, and you can hit animate. So now your guy's moving around, making faces, whatever it is, right? You can animate them. How you do this, you're like, okay, but I have to pay for this? You do. You're going to buy what's called tokens. But these tokens are not expensive. I think the least expensive, I think it might be $15, $20. But you get like 1,000 tokens. Go in the app, you'll see it. It's a few cents a second, right? Because it's animating, it's taking all these photos and making it move. It's very inexpensive, right? You buy one pack of his least expensive tokens, it's going to last you the whole time to do all your animating. Now, depending which creative model you're in with the AI, some might cost more, some might cost less. How many tokens, it tells you. Some are wild, right? You know, you're talking like Disney kind of style. That's one thing. You can also upscale a photo. What do you mean when you say upscale? Let's say you take one of your digital photos. You're like, pretty cool, but I want a lot of detail. If you hit this upscale button, it will make it even pop more. All the fine details that you're looking for on your house. And I'll continue, I'll do videos and I'll show you some of the different sections. But really the best thing is to actually go into the app and see it. Here's the thing though. They have the partnership. Most of you, the people, early adopters, a lot of you are coming from Atmos FX. Here's the big advantage with Atmos FX. If you already have things you've bought from them, there's a way where whatever you've already bought, you can upload to Illumibot. So you can use it. You're not spending any money, right? So you can work it in, and they're all animated, and they all have sound. Illumibot there's a button now that says Atmos FX. For all the new stuff, you can push that, buy it there, and integrate it into your show. Here's the big advantage. Why is it better to have Atmos FX versus just animating? If you're going to animate, it's kind of, even the still images, right? But you get all you can eat, so it doesn't matter. But if you animate, you don't know what it's going to look like. Sometimes it looks lame. Sometimes it's like playing, Illumibot describes it as playing gambling. You don't know what you're going to get. It might be awesome, or you just wasted some tokens. You're like, that looks like garbage. With Atmos FX, you already know. You can see on YouTube, we put up videos. What's the newest Atmos FX feature creative that they've done? You can watch it. You have it. You know it's going to work. You know what you're getting before. So one of the advantages about Atmos, right, is you already know what you're getting. No surprises. And we know their creative is amazing. So that's kind of another bonus, as far as this. But if you think about this, and this is where people kind of scratch their heads and they go, well, this makes a lot of sense. A lot of people are into the animatronics. A lot of those are $300, right, in an animatronic, to $500 that people are spending. Now look at it like this. Here's a couple things. First of all, being an early adopter, most people don't have this in their neighborhood. In fact, after you've seen, a lot of people don't have the Atmos FX digital decorations in their windows or on their house. Everybody's like always surprised, like, what is it? Now think about this. You'll be the first in your neighborhood to have this. You are going to be the star. The game, everybody can buy an animatronic. They're cool, right? I like them. But you can go to Home Depot, where it makes it special and makes you unique, and where you're the house, especially with this. I mean, it's insane, right? Because you really had to be techie. You don't have to be techie anymore with the Illumibot. Like, it's all done on your phone, right? And that's the joy of it. You'll be the first early adopter, and nobody has this. Like, you're putting this on your house, so it's $300. You spend the $300, that's for life, right? You don't have to keep buying it, but you can create the creative and change a million different things. So being the first, a million people are going to go, how did you do that? How did you do that? So even though you're paying the $15 a month, which is not a lot, right? Now that I've explained it to you, and the projector, that's the thing that gets everything. Like, yes, the upfront cost is the projector, but it's going to last you years, right? For the amount of just mind blown, right? With the Illumibot and the digital projection mapping, nobody's doing it. So even though there's some of that upfront cost, what you're getting is going to 10x everybody in your neighborhood, and for years. And you're like, why do you say that? I think I heard Atmos say they've been around 20 years, and still people say, I've never seen anything like that. And when you look on YouTube and you look on TikTok, I've seen, and I've said it in another video, where they do all the lights, right? And everybody asks about the animation. And here's the crazy thing. Those lights that people do, hundreds of hours for a 1 minute show. Well, now you can create a minute show, a 5 minute show, a 3, and not take hundreds of hours. It's just your creative of the AI of you making the images. You can bring music out. It completely levels up your house, and nobody's going to have it. So that's what you're spending the $15 on. You can cancel. Go, though. I highly recommend. Look at the app. It's going to answer how much everything costs, all your questions. And as we're all new to this learning, we'll just post videos, answer questions, and see how this all works. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. My next video that I'm going to make, in fact, I get the projector today. Woohoo! I'm so excited. How to measure your house, like for the projector, kind of some recommendations. And then my plan is to show you at night how dark my house is. And I have, because we're in Arizona, I could use the 3000 looms, but at least it's going to give you an idea of, okay, he showed us how dark a 3000 loom house would look like. I went with the 4000 looms because the price wasn't too crazy, right? Just to be safe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.